Hey, restaurant owners, still treating Instagram Reels like a side dish? In 2025, it's the main course for driving local awareness, engaging your community, and turning followers into loyal customers. Today, I'm giving you a proven Reel strategy tailored just for restaurants. No influencers or expensive video crews needed. Just your smartphone, your story, and a few creative angles. Let's serve it up. Step 1. Show the process, not just the plate. People don't just want to see the final dish. They want the experience. Film a 10-second reel showing your chef flipping a skillet, sprinkling finishing touches, or pulling a sizzling pizza from the oven. Behind the scenes builds connection and makes viewers feel like insiders. Step 2. Go local. Use geo-targeted hooks. Start your caption or on-screen text with something like, "New York foodies, this one's for you." Or, "Hidden gem alert in Chicago." Instagram's algorithm loves local signals, and so do hungry customers nearby. Step 3. Jump on trending sounds, but keep it on brand. Use trending music or voiceovers that match your vibe. Got a fun team? Use humor. Got a premium ambiance? Use elegant cinematic audio. The goal is to ride the trend without losing your identity. Step 4. Tease something simple. Quick tutorials perform like crazy. Try how we make our best-selling hummus in 3 steps, or the one ingredient that makes our coffee unforgettable. These types of reels position you as an expert and build trust while being super shareable. Step 5. Post consistently, not perfectly. One great reel won't carry your account. Aim for 3 to 4 reels per week, mixing themes. Behind the scenes, customer reactions, menu sneak peeks, seasonal specials. Pro tip: batch film 5 short videos in one go. It saves time and keeps your content fresh all week. Bonus tip: add a call to action. End every reel with a strong CTA. Tag someone who needs this today. Come try it, link in bio. Follow us for more food magic. These little nudges turn views into visits. So, whether you're running a cozy cafe or a sizzling shawarma joint, Reels can put your restaurant on the map, literally. No fancy studio, no complicated gear. Just smart storytelling and a sprinkle of creativity. If you found this helpful, hit like. Drop your restaurant's name in the comments, and subscribe for more Reel strategies made just for local businesses. Until next time, stay hungry and stay visible.